This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day. Hello, YouTubers. Well, guess what? I done bought me another watch. This is pretty cool, though. I actually was watching another YouTube video, and they were talking about Submariner clones, and actually the Submariner, and they're kind of rated it from the least to the best. And of course, this one down here that I bought is to the least, but for the price, I tell you, I'm very, very impressed. I have already opened it once, but I want to go ahead and see this is the box it came in. It's a T-Vise, I guess you'd call it. Let me see if I can get this open with one hand. Comes nice and pretty packed like this. Label there. There's the watch. Comes on a pillow. Doesn't have any documentation with it. I haven't even pulled the plastic off of it yet, but I just, whenever it came in the mail, opened the package and just kind of peeked in. But anyway, there you go. There she is. This is the black and gold Submariner clone, I guess you'd call it, for the Rolex. Let me go ahead and take the pill off here and kind of give you a view. First thing is, wow, it is really solid feeling. I like the movement on it too. It's kind of got a little bit of a sunburst on the it's black faced, two-tone, gold and silver. I'll go ahead and pull all the sticker off here in a minute. I just wanted you to see what it looked like coming right straight out of the box. This is an automatic. You can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's got the self-winding motion. You know, when it's on your wrist, it moves the counterweight in the back and winds it. It's really pretty fancy. I mean, it's even got it inscribed on the weights. I can definitely tell you it's all stainless steel, just by the weight alone. Construction seems really good. It's got a solid band bracelet band, if you want to call it, on it. Wow, this is I bought this for $40, and I think this might become my favorite watch for under sub 40. Really impressed. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna pull all the backing off of it, and we'll take a little bit deeper dive into it and look at the watch. Okay, I got it all out of the package, and all the plastic peeled off of it. This is actually very, very similar to another watch that I purchased not too long ago. To the Ali's classic green face one that I reviewed here a week or two ago. It has the same I would say about quality of band, and another one was stainless steel too. The only big difference is the other one was a quartz, and this is an automatic. This is actually a spring movement. This is definitely more realistic to a Rolex, because a Rolex would be an automatic too. I really like it. It doesn't have the typical Rolex click, you know, on the second hand, but it has smooth movement. Has a locking crown, I believe. Yeah, it has a locking crown on it, so it's probably pretty waterproof. I'm not saying that you should go scuba diving in it, but I guarantee you could do snorkeling and swimming in it no problem. I'm really digging the clear back cover with the automatic movement. The quality of it looks good. I mean, I'm really amazed how these clones can be manufactured for the prices that they're selling them for. I mean, it seems like they just get better and better. I mean, this is a solid stainless steel bodied watch. It's got a solid band. Looks like pretty precision movement. I would say probably in, you know, some type of a Seiko or type automatic movement. I'm sure it's not a crystal face. But I think they call it a mineral. It's probably some type of hardened glass. Nice looking watch. I think the thing that really gets me more than anything is the weight. Probably because it's automatic, but that and the stainless steel. But I mean, it's a clean looking watch. From 3 feet away, you would not be able to tell this wasn't a Submariner. I really like the gold and silver, or the silver with the gold accent. This baby's rocking. Like I said, I think this is like the third or fourth Submariner clone that I purchased, and this is definitely weight-wise and look-wise, I would say, as close to a Submariner as I've found. I think this is another 41, which is basically the size of a Submariner. I don't know. I'll go ahead and hang it on my wrist and see what it looks like. It has the typical pins for if you need to take links out to adjust the band. It didn't come with any kind of link remover, but anybody that's kind of into watches should have one of those on hand, or one of the watches they purchased over a period of time would have one. But you could actually even use a really small punch and push those pins out if you need to remove links. I never have to remove links. If anything, I'm more of a person that have to add links or adjust it all the way out. So anyway, let me go ahead and put this on my wrist. I'm digging it. This is the closest I have to a Submariner at this point, I would say. You know, obviously one of these days, if I hit the lottery, maybe I'll have me a true Submariner. But till then, I kind of got to, you know, sport the under 50 Submariners. Okay, there she is on my wrist. Again, it fits perfect, really, out of the box. It's got that side button clasp I like. It's even got an inscribe on the back. Fits nice. And this band's a little bit stiff, but I'm kind of tickled about that. The links are, which tells me it's got a little bit tighter tolerances. It's not as loose as some of the other bands I've had as far as the links. They're pretty tight, and which, you know, obviously after you wear it a period of time, they'll loosen up a little bit. But I would prefer them to be tight like this than loose out of the get-go, because there's not any play. It doesn't have any wiggle in it. But sorry, I keep shaking it. But I'm gonna sport this one tonight. I'm going out tonight and kind of see if I get any reactions from it. Like I said, this is definitely by far the best $50 Submariner clone that I own. Really impressed. I love the weight of it, and I'm a sucker for silver and gold anyway, and I like the black face. This is a rockin' watch right here. I'll go ahead and provide a link for it. I got it on Amazon, and I think it was under $40. I know that, even with tax, or right at $40 with tax. Man, talk about a gift. I mean, I know it's the season, and if you're looking for a watch for your husband or your guy friend or boyfriend or whatever, I think this would make an awesome gift. I kind of gifted it to myself because I'm a watch geek. What can I say? But anyway, there's my little video on the televise. I guess it's televise or televise, or no, it's TVs, Tevise. I bet you it's Tevise. Anyway, I'm sure I'm destroying that, but let's call it the Tevise Elegant Submariner under $50 watch. I'll be rocking it tonight for sure. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do some videos on some of my older watches and kind of show you my collection. I got a Seiko that I just finally found a battery for that actually has gone up in value. It'll be an interesting video. I think I paid about $150 for it, and I was just out looking, and used, it's going for $450 to $500 now. So, you know, a lot of times a watch can be a good investment. This watch is about 22 years old, but and amazing, it's tripled in price over 22 years. Anyway, have a good one. This is Electron Man. Again, subscribe, and have a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas.